Hi guys, how you doing? Today I'm making a short video about repairing a photo frame. So I've got this frame which is chipped in here. This chip doesn't really stand out a lot, but I would like to repair it. And the way I decided to repair it is by using a polymer powder for nails, and this is usually used with the monomer liquid and a little brush. So I'm going to try to use this to fill in this hole, this chip in the frame. So here I already mixed the powder with the liquid on my brush, and I'm going to try to fill this gap. Some of the liquids dry quicker, some of them slower. I'm not sure if this one is fast or slow drying, but it's allowing me to work it, which is the most important. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it in one go. It might be a good idea to build it a little bit, then allow it to dry, maybe file it a little bit like you would with the nail, and then add a little bit more at the end to make sure everything is perfectly filled. But you can already see this is looking much better. There is no big hole anymore. So I'm gonna leave it at this for now and then add some more later. And what I need to mention as well is that with the acrylic, you don't need any UV lamp or anything to cure it. You just leave it to air dry, and then you can start filing it down. Today is already 10 o'clock p.m. so I'm going to leave it overnight and get back to it tomorrow. Good morning guys, so it's the next day already. This has now dried, it's nice and strong. I think I'm gonna build it a little bit more, because as you can see it's not completely filled yet, it just needs a little bit more. And then I'm going to use my Dremel tool and one of the bits, probably one of the smaller ones, like maybe this one or this one, to sand it down. And then what I want to do is paint over it to mask the area that was damaged. And I'm gonna probably paint it silver and add a little bit silver around the edge, and this way I will not have to find the green color, because this shade of green will not be easy to find. If you're repairing a frame that is, for example, gold color, you might wish to find the paint that is similar to the original color, and I think the easiest way to do it would be by finding a nail varnish that is the same color as, or very similar color to your frame, because the nail varnish will definitely adhere to this polymer area, and it might help you to make the frame look good again. Okay, I'm not going to document the entire process, I just recorded this part to let you know how I feel it and what you can do next. Okay guys, I hope you have a nice day and good luck with restoring your frames. Bye now.